Hello everyone. So just continuing on from my previous videos, we had originally went to Defont, downloaded Belinda script, and now I just have a word hello. So what we're going to do here, when you have cursive, obviously it looks funny like that, so you don't want to keep it like that. So you have a few different options here. The simplest is going up to this little section here, letter space, and just pull it down. So you bring your letters together until you like it. Not all fonts kind of work out nicely. This one clearly does. And so we were talking about that welding. So this is where you're going to want to weld. So suppose I did attach, which is fine. It looks great. You go to make it. And you can't really tell here. No, you can. Okay, so see how there's lines here in between each letter? Your cuts are still going to cut out each letter individually. So when you have a cursive word, your attach isn't really going to be your friend here. So you can detach or you can keep it attached. So this is where welding is going to take place. But remember, once you weld, you can't unweld, so maybe keep it for the end of the project, but I'm going to show you right now. So once you weld, okay, that looks great, but I actually want to show you, here, I'll go to make it real quick. See how everything's open now? So you're going to get a nice smooth cut, which is beautiful. It's what you want. If you had put your letters too close together, see if it'll work here, and you weld, no, it didn't work. Okay, I'm going to ungroup this for a second. So I have the L going into the O. Perfect example. If you have really fine script, you might not be able to notice. So once you weld, you're going to lose your O. Apparently not. Okay. Well, most scripts, let's see if I can find one here. Go to system. Often you'll find if you weld and you're too close, you lose your letter. I'm giving a very bad example, but you will figure it out. It will happen to you. It happens to me all the time. It's just, obviously, you just undo the weld and you need to separate your letter. So if you get that, where all of a sudden your letter fills in, that's what the issue is. So our other way of, say, this looks nice, but you want to look a little fancy. So I already had it ungrouped, so ungroup your letters. Sorry, there's a lawnmower going by. What you're going to do, now you have free range in every single letter. So say you want your E up here, your L to hang out down there. And you like this? Perfect. For now, what I always do, I just attach it, and then, you know, you continue with your project, because suppose you start doing your design, you're like, oh, I don't really like that anymore. I already welded it, now I have to go and I have to redo the whole thing, which obviously you just have to redo it. It's not the end of the world, but we're gonna weld it. And like I said, I go to make it, make sure it looks good, everything is open, beautiful. So that's going to be your cut. For me, I only use welding for the handwriting words, so that's pretty much all you need to know about welding, to be honest. And like I said, you can't undo the welding, so once it's there, too bad. And we're going to move on to another section in the next video, so enjoy playing with your letters, ungrouping, making them closer together. Like I said, I can't do anything with this now. I can do this, make it different sizes, but once you weld, you're done. So just to recap, bring us back to Belinda. We were on the letter space. Bring it together. Or line space, for example. If you had your letters going like this, then you're going to go line space, and it's going to bring them together. or farther apart. Just like that. So play around with that, download some more handwriting if you like handwriting, and enjoy. And again, don't forget to subscribe so you do not miss the following videos. Have a great day.